If you need to download SurveyMonkey results, and especially if you want to see individual responses, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is a quick and simple way to review your survey data, export responses, and understand what's available based on your current plan. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into the account that contains the survey you want to review. After you're logged in, find the survey you want to work with and click on it to open the survey dashboard. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you access to the results, analysis tools, and export options. Next, look for the Analyze Results section. This is the area where SurveyMonkey stores your response data and lets you view the answers that people submitted. Click on Analyze Results to open the response summary and individual response views. If you're trying to see each person's answers one by one, this is the right place to start. Once you're inside the results area, look for the Export option. Exporting is how you download SurveyMonkey results to your computer so you can view them outside of the platform. Click on Export and then choose New Export. SurveyMonkey will begin preparing the file for download. At this point, SurveyMonkey may show a message asking you to upgrade your plan. This is an important thing to notice because some export features and individual response downloads may only be available on certain paid plans. If that happens, you'll need to review your plan options before continuing. If your account already includes export access, SurveyMonkey will let you continue through the export process. If you're able to proceed, choose the export format that works best for you, then confirm the export. SurveyMonkey will generate the file, and once it's ready, you can download it to your device. From there, you can open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet tool to inspect the results more closely. If your goal is to see individual responses in SurveyMonkey, make sure you're looking at the detailed response view or exporting the data in a format that preserves respondent-level information. That makes it much easier to review each submission separately instead of only seeing the overall summary. So in short, the process is, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, go to Export, choose New Export, and then follow the prompts. If you hit the upgrade notice, that means your current plan may not include the export feature you need. In that case, you'll want to check your plan or upgrade access before downloading the results. I hope this helps you download your SurveyMonkey results and see individual responses more easily. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.